People them for commission wey e dey so they get for follow up for team wey they be talking for national man-to-man talk inside Yawinde wey dey almost make 1 year for sika problem for northwest and southwest. They don't start from it up this morning time for that side, so for inside Yawinde. Now under the lookout for the big man SSF, Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute wey e dey so e be the oga patapata for on top that commission. We go take una this afternoon to country people them. We go for place where they call them say Gadwa. For Gadwa side, now some thief people them where they the thief Ghana call them. Then after they ask them say may they pay money before they left them. Where gendarme people them under operation where big man for gendarme where they call them Oga Lubazal and even Aga Robinson. They don't make them. They don't put down for the thief people them where they show them for population. We go enter SSF on Do 3 village now for that side, so from Banga subdivision for inside Mongo. Now some die body for some 31-year-old man where they meet up and for inside bush when a gun they use and shoot it, then they abandon the gun level for day. Tori says for this afternoon we go talk waka for vex CDC, some CDC work people them. Then the vex say they cut palm tree them where they so now for the way they work and get their small money. Now so too for that side from Buddha, now people them they don't come out for road for talk say they no like them. As we they transfer commandant we in the lookout gendarme people them for inside Buddha. They call it senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastien. We go talk as we corona SSF in the past inside we country newspaper them if time is left. We go enter to for the big part talk for this afternoon. They talk for we say person where he get plenty sense. If he wash with water wey dey for inside spoon, person wey e get plenty sense. If you wash with water wey e dey for inside a spoon. Big part talk e comot na for Papa Sime Dido. E dey she done na for Angela Merkel country, Germany. We return back small time. Plenty for outside the country people them. Number 2 tower will meet up for today and the number 3 day inside the new moon we will start all we on Tuesday. We go start tomorrow with this palaver for our head people them where they get for the follow up or the thing the way they be talking for national man-to-man talk will be happen for Yawinde. They do already start for meet up since this morning time for place where they call them say Yawinde. And Sabi say all the thing it dey happen. Now for Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute when I be the oga patapata for inside this commission con the people them. As we wanna Sabi after the national man-to-man talk, plenty thing the day where they be talk say they get for do so now they think them that way these people them the commission people them they don't already start for shidon for look inside that palava for try for see waiting where they never do or how they fit start for put all these things the way they be discuss them for inside national man-to-man talk for inside the trouble. So as so now the CM he been at the report as so talk the commission member them where they meet up. I will get right Reverend Funky Samuel where he say be one of them. Peter Mafane Musonge and other people there they consign, even Reverend Father them, all them they dey for Yawinde just now as well they don't start for look inside all the thing them where they be she don't talk for national man-to-man talk where be pass inside we country. We go surely turn back in the proper on top this story where we meet up on Friday. We go take una enter for Commercial Avenue. When Sabi say Wednesday will be talk say dey so they drive people they made them no sell today. Now the photo this image we see for Commercial Avenue as so the enter for inside here. As we Tori enter for we here and wait on the see place over there busy as we the ever used to be for inside Commercial Avenue. Now for inside Bamenda after we dey so one policeman the boy there with a gun they shoot one policeman on Tuesday, Wednesday, Bamenda, dey the same Bamenda. Commercial Avenue today, it be quiet. You be even fit for play and damba on top the field for Sika say moto them. All man it turn up and even Bine place them. Say if you look plenty Bine place them. They no open for Sika or Commandia where we here. He come on for soldier them. We be try for look to for side for market where that market people then say they open. Now the big market that way they for corner Commercial Avenue. You go fit for see say plenty Bine people there. them. With the years, say some of them, they even so turn come the morning time. They be so drive them. Say, may they no go, may they no continue for do their business. As soon as see business place, no overturn up. The market says, will be dead. As soon as they see no nothing, no day. Even as we some side them, it dry. As soon as say when they see for day. For some other end will waka reach for the same end. Some mommy they setting them where they feel spoil like pawpaw, pear, plum, all of them. They be even open that small place them, but sabi say town. You know so they the way we be get for be and Tori we enter for inside with EM. It talks a gun. It be hala again. Popcorn be hala for Bamenda. This afternoon, morning time, so te around that kind of past 11 as we Tori enter for we ear. So life, he never turn back as we be get for be. Sabi say we hear Congo side talk say soldier them, they be talk say make the business people them. They no can do the business. As well they use for do after when they shoot someone policeman. We go take una enter for inside Garua just now country people them. For Garua side, operation for find thief people there, they worry people them. It don't so continue for happen. These 40 people them, now one way they show we for company office for gendarme people them for inside Garua today. And Sabi say the operation, we get big man, Oga Lubazal, and even people them where they call them say General Aga Robinson. We the year say the boy them, they make their operation for Bebel and even for Bibimi. We now town them in between Cameroon and Nigeria. So all them, we hear saying Nigerian people them, where they don't the thief go hide, Nganako them. After the thief go hide them, then they go ask them, they pay them money. So they be put hand on top them and they don't show them for population. This afternoon for inside place where they call them say Garua. And for the number 3 office for Garua gendarme people them, where they show we. Sabi say the operation, it dey under eye for big man Lubazal and even Oga Aga Robinson. We go enter just now for this other story for inside Mbanga. Ndo 3 na the village be that, na the name for village inside Mbanga subdivision where na wonderment where the population says for that side they take their eye, they chop siam. Oh man, sabi people then say they don't confuse. On top two way happen for Ndo 3 this morning time as we Tori enter for inside we here. Waiting the pass now some die body for some man where they meet up for corner bush. Now for Sika wide that way one time. They call big man for gendarme office, Oga Coupe, Bebe Coupe, where he says he go there with the lamboy them for try for go see wait way happen. Now die body for some man where they can meet up and they meet up the die body where they shooting and shoot with the gun the way they use them for go bush for go catch beef. So now with that gun where they use them for shoot this man, but just now the team where Bebe Coupe when a commandant for that side from Banga, he never fit for understand. Now waiting this man he do and now who he shoot this man with the gun. Now the thing that way they never fit for understand. So just now, Bebe Coupe, when a commandant for inside Banga, gendarme office, it already start to make investigate after we population, it come for come a collie on top this die body where they meet up. We hear say the man name na Andek Daddy and Andek Daddy, 31-year-old man where it dey so they meet up where they don't shoot out with a gun, then they throw him for that side so for bush country people them for Ndo village. So people them for Bebe Coupe as so they talk just now. They don't start for make investigate for try for Sabi. True, who side this thing he come out and now who he shoot this Andek Daddy when a 31-year-old. With the ESF Congo side for corner side, he try for tell we say that man, he be then a better thief man, say he be don't be native man, as we to re-enter we here. So if they meet up and we don't die, they know the surprise. Die body, now for courthouse they don't go put them. But just now, make we see where we meet up for corner this man, Andek Daddy. Now they gone that as soon as they see him. Now gone that way they so they meet up and for corner as so they finish shoot him. Person where use the gun he shoots, he left the gun, then he go here. So they can meet up that gun only for corner. This 31-year-old man where they call him Andek Daddy for inside Ndo village. As so we talk, investigate. It is also continue. Some mami will meet up him. He try for throw away some small story. He be the talk for Gasson so in microphone.
I won't come back for farm. I go so all I go there for interview there. I grab a big Russo. I want interview inside Kakao. I hear some man one time from my back say, they call you. Here, I told my security. I see the man there for root. He turn up for root with the big contract for his hand. 202. We don't cut the grass. They mash am suited there for this lead hand. He call him. I won't go again. He say, je vois que tu veux être agressif. I told my security girl and say, hey, aggressive dans quoi? Are they aggressive for waiting? Are they so aggressive for waiting? He don't talk. I say, now who call me? He don't talk. Now who call me? No, he don't talk. I say, I beg if you call me, tell me say, now you call me. He don't talk. He see me that so I be get my head, my cassava for my head. My half cassava, I turn up. How I mean for inside cacao, it looks so accommod. So I can't turn up for root. So if you want to make me something, some motor come out for root. I say, I beg if you don't call me, tell me, say now you call me. He don't talk. He became see me that so me to at the sea, see me at the sea. So tell one time he say go. I turn up that so he say go. So tell my two times I say you go. I only told my security.
Yes, Mami Sese for that side, so from Dot 3 village, from Banga, also talk, Commandant Bebe Coupe, he don't continue for make investigate for Sabi who killed that man, and he left that hunting gun for back. Now, we go take una enter from Buda, now for West Region, also talk for na population from Buda, he don't block roads, say me moto they no pass, and make even Okada people themselves they know the work. Now for Sika waiting, Tori be enter for inside their ear, say their commandant where they like and plenty, senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastian, where he don't look at the population for that side. So from Buda, they don't send him from Gumu gendarmerie office, say na for the way go be like a commandant. As so it happened just now, where the population say vex, they talk say they no one time make this commandant, he go for Sika say commandant, he don't do better work for inside town. Waiting push it Okada people them, according to 222 we hear them, Congo Sawe be the pass inside the Okada people them, he try for talk say normal say the commandant don't do better work, and na just for Sika say he comot gendarme people them for road say make they know they take money wey another big man inside West Region he get am na where that big man says he take pen he write for Yawinde for say make they transfer the gendarme man the commandant from Ambuda. So just now for Sika why that way you see this population he come out for outside he block roads, police people they say they come back for say make them come out. We hear say this worker for vex for the population from Buda for Sika that gendarme commander where they transfer am. Now SSF he don't make am, they say they go so continue for the block road for say me moto no come out. So tell that big man SSF he come out can talk, and they no want them to say waiting make their commander Lashlele Sebastian he go for Sika say the man he don't do better work. As so talk Congo side for inside Okada people them they try for blame some big man for West Region say naive for Sika say commandant he stop gendarme people them say me they know they come out take money where he said he ever get his own share. Now for Sika why that way he did so he talk say me they transfer the gendarme man from Gumu. So senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastian they don't send him now for gendarme office for the same position from Gumu. Make we turn back for inside Buda. We go take una enter back for that side. So for inside Buda, just for Sabi, as with this Okada people them, they don't deny, say that man, he no go. If no be so, this order for town, they go so continue for maker. Raphael Cheko, he be now we eye for that side, so for inside Buda. He be putting microphone for mob for some one of the people then.
Papa, commandant no go no place. The remind we for here. If commandant go, even we by people them, we there for here. We on no day. We the wait. Commandant no go no place. Now why they we outside today? Commandant no go no place.
People then that way they turn up trong for back senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastian where they so they don't transfer it from Gumu and with the population, he say he don't do better work, so he no get for go. Just now, we go take una enter to for another worker for Vex. Now for that side, so for Fako division, where some work people them for CDC, one day they work for side they make banga. Them say they don't come out for outside this afternoon for talk say no. Sabi say the banga them for CDC, where it they so they don't cut and throw them for ground. This work people them they talk say na this banga where they make them, where them say they get chop, where they even get money for say may they look out their picking them for house. So just now when they can see as well they cut the banga them they throw them, it make them to say with them say they no go surely get tomorrow, they no go surely get something for chop. So now for sika why that where this work people them for inside CDC they come out according to way they didn't talk, they did try for talk say it dey so Ngomna or the big people them for Ngomna they sabi where they happen for inside Limbe, and even the chief them for that side. So for Fako division say for sika say they want open new places them, they want make them say they no get place where they feed the chop, so they don't talk. Make this cutting from banga is stop, and sabi say after they finish do their work for Vex for their place, they enter their motor, they say they go see DO, make DO to understand say this one now what in with the people them with the check say that the one instead suffer them they do them. Make we hear with way some of the man them inside this group they talk for we.
They don't tell you they not be aware of what they go on. Please make government try do something. It is very bad. May they forget about that their intention. They render we unemployed. We are sick and tired. This is a look at when I see this Bangladesh. For how long will continue to suffer? They want to create more unemployment in society. Tomorrow, if we go join for Bush or talk security, we beg make government do something for stop the nonsense. We don't like to continue. From here, we go for top management for head office. We will go inform them. So in a situation, this we no like them. If then they be that call, we no like them because now we go be unemployed. Maybe some of them they get other jobs where the government go give them. For say they render we unemployed. I promise you in the nearest future, we will surely reach there. Okay. Soonest, we will get to that stage.
They continue fail and so they take our farm. Okay. Yes, because when you go for different estate, different section, they don't fail. Even for okay. Bimbia. Okay. Now right now, as I'm talking, Bimbia here don't fail. Yes. Yes. Now they fail for Bimbia. Okay. So now as all the years say they go fail now, fail the whole side. Okay. And where they are fake we. Okay. Yes. And we will not come so. Because we will do this in the same way the government see into a situation. That one at the top management that they know that they get there. But the one now we know how we feel for this side. Yeah, so I'm the few, so I don't know how they do. So now we don't decide to know. Maybe we come for a section, we'll fight for a section.
And just so sabi even as so they be the make that worker for Vex, they be get wait the worry them inside their minds. Make we enter also read message by message where they send them. They talk say me CDC land them. Make it no be na one way people that they come on top. They say men kunkuma say be come for can help them for sika say another palm tree them or even them banga them where they cut them. Say that one it help more than 1,500 family them where it they so just now say na for place where they chop now for the same place where they the one for can destroy them chakadam for sika say they want open newly out them so they the beg say may even governor say e come banga and even red oil it don't finish inside market only for sika this kind of way where they cut banga them throw am and they make people them say they go she done we walk it no go day for their hand so mommy them say they talk for we.
Inside CDC, now they want more work. You know, we pass to pick one banga so for every for market banga not day. They want to do it, picking them for house. Oh, we not go. Oh, you don't say the banga not day. People don't learn book. Right inside CDC, now they want more work for whose side? We cannot go school. They're now widows, as you don't see my face. Yeah. Some are widows, matter will go for pension. Some of who picking them there for house, we go care for them how. Now we receive our chief the way they do this thing the whole this and so they want people for whose side. So when the tribal talk say now when they make an answer, they frustrate we and they frustrate our children. Because now it makes some of our children now they go thief. Because if me they don't retire me. Then now my picking will go do now waiting. We go do waiting for helping me. Now we will go the berry picking the on picking they go the berry we. So me I don't care for cry for maybe I have my children. because my children now small time go leave them. I dey like mommy foul. Now I don't come for them, for cover them, so that men will see what the chief David do for we. Now we don't can walk. Now we don't can walk. We say we don't come. We see how we dey work today because we come now for can walk. Okay. Yes, we come for can walk. Then we don't see and so I will get for shout. Okay. We show that as we don't come for now we see our cry. We know we don't come for our own section now. We don't come we see them. Okay. Those other people too, they get their own sections too. Okay. And they think that we don't come. We vex our own section. We don't come. Now they don't cut and now we don't come now for see. Where the government will go do for we because our don't come here, we don't come for can work, we not feel work. Now our time wasted. Oh, wait, we didn't work on one time for 6 o'clock for can work. Now we can see the damage.
And just for Sabi say the mommy them and the men the way they come out for outside for make waka for best way they go for go walk. They no be fit for hold their collars them. For Sika say they the fear, say if they hold collars, they go hold them too. So they go now with the empty hand as we to re-enter for we ear. That one are just corner side for that people them where they be the make waka for vex. For inside at Fako division. Just now we go left that chapter. We enter for this fireway cash for some part for inside market for Ndokoti. It be dinner for overnight. Army rescue people them and Commander Afuhan Sewe been a big man for intervention. They be there for lost the fire before he enter for other Bine people them place for Ndokoti. Just now we go continue for enter for inside we quarter them. We take una go for Tradex Emana na for Yawinde we don't enter already. For talk say population for inside the quarter for Tradex Emana side they cry say for 2 moon lights in no day 2 moon they don't cry. This power wanna they see I'm so high tension rope it don't fall for down but they don't report for company where the local light wanna can fix one a rope the company says it don't turn up in the only look place the rope it just sleepy for ground people them they the only pass the CM current in the pass for day see highway this rope it don't come through way with all kind of connection the way the rope it just sleep for ground and that place danger for picking them more than 2 moon they don't report for company where the local light say when I can't do something before something do picking the way they she done for day they don't also lock their ear like say they know the hear them and na too small picking them this innocent if they go enter for day then this rope is suck them they die they go talk that time say they no be sabi say it dey so na so the thing dey if no be na some good Samaritan say we see as well the rope picking the day for corner then he can't turn up to the drive the picking them say make they come out small they say play it dey go for corner I picking don't turn up see as well turn up they can't drive them say make they come out for day current it dey pass for day the quarter people them they don't go for company for light plenty time 2 moon now company where the local light it don't lock e eye on top the thing like say no be na no nothing small time when something go happen when I go talk say when I no be sabi but even as well the thing dey so people them the day where they so continue for talk and they so continue for work make we enter back for them for sure now point the way they sabi say na the thing that way e give them chop for that side for Trades Emana for Yawinde them say they don't she done for day they also continue for do their work and they do their work so with this kind of current way dey for down una see am no the thing don't come up for up e falling for ground current the pass for day no man he never show head no man he no even get eye for even can look at am but that one he no stop with brother them na meta that way fall for that way the show say na for sika that pole and meta way fall for down where the thing e happen we get with brother them wey they do their own small handwork since how we rope e dey pass una see am since how my brother dey work by mistake if he hand touch that play wetin go happen with e una dey see am no the man dey paint e bed na for corner dey wey all thing dey happen he no care he no care if mistake he touch that rope na trouble see how wey dey do work for how wey pole don fall and rope the pass so we dey talk no be na thing for talk say una no be sabi company wey the local light na the thing that we don show am for now if una like una no go dey when something go happen that time una go talk say una no be sabi anyhow we don do our own work na for the talk for now say na thing that way dey happen if una like for go do am fine. Make we enter for inside Douala 4 subdivision. Container them dey plenty. And people them for Douala 4, they be don't mark plenty container them for day. Say make population they come out. This container they make people them do accident. This container them they block road. Even as we council people, they take their time. Waka enter for inside Mabanda side. Douala 4. they put red cross on top container. They say make they comot am for sick as say they dey disturb roads. Plenty of the container people they don't decide for left them container for day, and na so they left container, na so they put am for corner roads. It can cause accident. So we dey talk now for the Douala for people them. As so it dey so. Accident dem they don dey pass for sick as say container dem they never comot am for roads. So na for them for turn back for day for try for look inside the palava. All that container the way they don put X, all that container there they don put X, where they don put am for corner roads, where motor dem say they don even go jam am, then they come carry people dem take am go for police, say they don broke am. Make they look inside the chapter for sick as say wetin they think them. Population dey cry say e dey block roads, and someone the way they dey open till people dem they dey hide for day wey e be make am too insecurity for these people dem inside Mabanda, Douala for subdivision. And just so sabi today as well dey talk for ya for Cameroon time na Thursday, and as sabi say for different side e go be na different day, but just now for inside Cameroon e be dey na day wey Thursday na day wey people dey clean their quarter dem. Yes, Thursday people dey clean their quarter dem, but as well dey talk for inside we for here Mabanda side we be enter for day. We see some people dem they dey clean gutter hole, they dey do their work wey be na keep Douala clean. Sabi say na the day that way governor set a sign book say they must to do am so tey mandamba e can pass for Cameroon e go. So people dey respect am. Mama T make we enter for chapter 2 for this chapter. As well people dey clean, people dey clean. Some side the day wey they dirty. Yes, make we enter for the other enter where they dirty. Una see am. Just as well people dey clean for some side, other people dey una see gutter hole, see people dey say, and na day wey they say make they clean place o. Una dey see am, na day wey they say make they clean place, some other side they dirty so tey time no dey. So the other side dem, as well some council people dey clean am. Who they leave and say they get for can clean the place? No ask ambassador. No ask am. Then the thing where e funny me plenty na say wetin. These council people there they clean place, they don't left burial ground. Yes, they left burial ground. That burial ground where they left, and when I see side they start for clean now, they cut for wall for burial ground. Burial ground side for up, they no even touch and touch am. So una one na that devil them. Una one devil them. People there they don't bury and say make they come out. They can't clean the one. Or na who them una one time say make they can't clean this other one. Then so for here, country people. When una dey do work, see burial ground for that side. So for Mabanda, they call am say cimetière Kotobas. Na place where they be bury Kotobas. So the place is dirty. They where they say keep Douala clean. If una dey clean, una no make segregation. Na him mean so una no talk say oh this one una no go do and this one. The burial ground guataho una don level. Na for who for can clean am? Na for who for can clean am? Anyhow, now we I see am o. Even inside burial ground dirty dey. You understand? Even inside the burial ground dirty dey. Grass e don grow. See the other side where they go inside Mabanda, guataho e clean. Then the other side where they come down for burial ground, guataho e dirty. Now which kind of thing that una see am? Na fence for burial ground. See side where they do am. Halfway that one they leave am. So now for who them? Now for the devil them. See burial ground say una dey talk say una the clean place. Burial ground grass e dey plenty. Now they get for can chapiera. Now they get for do am. Now the devil them. Now people there they don't bury them. Anyhow, now my own eye that to make one no vex say I don't talk. Well, we go enter for newspaper. They will get them this afternoon. So come out for inside Tori for this side. Make we take una see some of the newspaper the way they day outside. Horizon the talk for we. As we come now, he don't talk back for wait Ma Kalwala. He talk concerning a waka for vex where he the column. You go read Tori 2 for inside Horizon where he concern bilingualism commission for Pa Peter Mafane Musonge where they the talk for Cameroon people. Them say me they take the two country talk them. Queen Elisa own and Emmanuel Macron own equal. Make no man he no talk say the one ish. As well the Horizon he talk for we other Tori the day where fit for it inside Horizon. Make we enter for inside Guardian Post too where they outside today. Calling people them for Guardian Post where they for outside this afternoon. He get his own chapter for Tori where he talk for we, and for the Guardian Post one of their strong Tori for this afternoon for Guardian Post newspaper where he day outside he try for look inside everything the way they pass for Northwest and Southwest. One of the strong number for the Guardian Post newspaper where the waiter they try for talk for we this afternoon. Say waiting, say soldier them they don't lock Bamenda after one policeman he die. You go read that story for them. You go read story to where he consign people them for Bamenda Kwe where they don't get their new Igwe, their new chief for that side. You go read two story as a woman they say they be come up for outside for talk. Say may they stop all the two way people that didn't die for inside Northwest and Southwest. Story the day for inside the Guardian Post. Another newspaper will enter for inside today. Country people them now waiting. They call them say the Post Weekender. Inside the Post Weekender, they say mayor for a mayor. He don't talk from governor. Say may they try for back people them boys out to chang shoes for say make peace. He turn back for inside the country. You go read story to a concern as well Bamenda. It don't lock down after we waiting. They killed one policeman. Tori today where concern minister Gratango where Iwaka for Douala, Edea, Sancho, but it no be rich from Guti and Fontaine where they suffer the same water where he enter for people them house and Poto where he chakara people them cargo them inside the Post Weekender. Other Tori the day. We go finish with Cameroon Insider where they outside too today inside Cameroon Insider. They talk for we as we all man inside country, woman themselves up for inside country, they don't decry and they kini. Say make two they pass for Southwest, Northwest, it finish. Now so too they try for tell we as we soldier them enter for inside boy they will chang shoes their own place where they should done for that side. So for Boyo, plenty in them it be pass. You go read plenty to read them where it is so Cameroon Insider to read people them. They come out this afternoon. Tori don't finish for inside Equinox Story House, country people them, Matilda, Malice, and even the Panda Plus, Zephyrin Gonji. They be there for backside for see as we Tori Idiwaka. For me, I go surely turn back for morning time if Papa God he left. Una hold am tight.